What buffer size do you need to use when recording or mixing? Right here. When you're recording vocal, you want a very tight sample rate. So I will go from 64 to 128 or 256, depending on how your computer CPU and RAM can take. So one of these three right here would do. But on the other hand, when you're recording vocals, I would recommend going as high as possible, 2048 or 1024, whichever one that's available with your audio interface. Recap: when you're recording vocals, you want to go as tight as possible, 64, 128, 256. If your RAM and CPU can take it. But if you're mixing, you want to go as high as possible, 1024, 2048. Bowman Solomon, NoBSMixing.com.